Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And today, in this video, I would like to show you how to work on the user control in your project. Okay, so in the previous video, we have done how to displaying the category information in the left menu here. We can call it either left menus. And we know how to use the repeater to loop the data for this one. And okay, so I will open the Visual Studio, and we are using the size.matter template here to keep the code for category. Okay, view the code here. We have a method to load data into the repeater, and actually this is not the best practice, and so we shouldn't do that. Instead of keeping the business in the master page, so we should move the code into some the user console. For example, if you are working on the header, footer, and the left menu here on the master page, so it will make it is not bad practice, so it should move all of the code into the user controller. So when you move the code into the user controller, so you are able to review it for another basis on your system. Okay, so now let's get started. I will create a folder first. Add a folder, user control, user. Okay. So now I will create a user control. I will call it either left menus. Okay, you right click on the user control and add new item, and scroll down here. We have the Webform user control. So I can the ASCH file. I will name it is left menu left. Okay. And now I will copy the HTML code from the side matter. Okay, so here I will copy the deep left. Okay, cool. Copy it. I will delete this one and that comment out. I will open this, paste it here, Ctrl KD to do the formatting. Okay, open the backend code, copy this, I will cut it. Okay, okay, cool. So now try to view it. Okay, we have no issue. So now back to the side.matter. Okay. You open the user control, drag and drop here. Okay. Go to the top. Yeah. So after you drag and drop the controller into the side master page, so it will automatically do the register the left menus the controller for on this page. Okay. After that you can use it here. Okay, build the solution and you back to this one and try to refresh. Okay, so for now the layout is broken, however it seems work fine for now, and I will back to check the layout. Okay. Deep container. Okay, just copy from the deep lab, not container. Deep lab. Okay. Refresh the page. Deep lab. Category. Okay. Deep lab should be on the top. Okay. Refresh. Okay, good. It works fine for now. We can delete this one to make the code of the master page it look better. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to create the user controller in your Webform project. And after that, you know how to link it into the site master. And actually, you can reuse the user controller on many pages in your system. And you just need to drag and drop it into the anywhere in the website. And after you drag and drop from user control into the pages, so it will automatically do the registration on, so you can find it detail the script on the top of the page. Okay, hope that helped, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.